Hi, it's Gavin from Gavin Will Physiotherapy. So welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk to you a bit about back pain and really just about the three main types of back pain that we would see here in the clinic. So today we're really going to look at muscular back pain, herniated disc back pain and degenerative disc disease. And we want to just really talk to you a little bit about the diagnostic and specialist care that we provide and a little bit about the specialist treatment and rehabilitation that we do here at the clinic. So whether you're just somebody who's seeking relief from back pain or if you are an athlete, a busy professional, we are passionate about helping people like you. So that's people who are suffering with back pain. Our main goal is to help you get back to doing the things that you love best and the things that you are missing out on. So back pain is one of the most common injuries that we would see here at the clinic, and it affects people of all ages. And it often hinders their ability to enjoy life and get out there and do the things that they love doing. So our main aim is to help people get back to doing the things they love doing. But first we need to really find out what kind of back pain somebody has. And that really just helps us to put people on the right path to recovery. So we're going to look a little bit more about the three main types of back pain that people can suffer from, and the most common ones that we would see here at the clinic. So let's just take the first type of back pain that we would see here in the clinic, which is muscular back pain. So it's often caused by strains, overuse and poor posture. Really, it's characterized by localized discomfort, stiffness, and muscle spasms. Triggers for this generally include things like lifting heavy objects, sudden movements, like sudden twisting. We tend to hear stories of people just turning suddenly to speak to somebody would be one of those things. But also prolonged sitting. So there's probably quite a lot of people out there who sit quite a lot at desks to work. So those are people who would suffer a fair bit with muscular back pain. So really good to really understand that, and so we're able to help with things like that. So the other next most common cause of back pain, one that we see here quite frequently here in the clinic, is a herniated disc, and it's the one that most people seem to worry most about. But fear not, help is always out there for you. So when we look at herniated discs, this tends to be general wear and tear of the disc. So the disc can protrude out, and then what it does, it can press onto the nerve. So when this happens, this typically causes a radiating pain. So that's pain that travels, okay, generally down into the leg. It can cause numbness and tingling, and will generally just happen more so on one side. So our next common cause of back pain is what we call degenerative disc disease. So this refers to the wear and tear of the disc. So if you imagine the disc sits in between two vertebrae, it basically becomes worn, it reduces in size, and when that happens, it tends to cause more stiffness, reduced flexibility, and then it can lead to pain in itself. So it's really important that when you do come to physiotherapy, that we assess you, we can get an accurate diagnosis as to what's really happening with you, because then it really just affects the outcome when we get it right for you. So when we talk about understanding exactly what's going on with back pain, it's really important that we get the right diagnosis. So here at the clinic, we have a team of specialist therapists who see back pain every day. So it's really important for us to make use of all our diagnostic skills, our assessment skills, so that we get you the right diagnosis to make sure that we get the right treatment plan for you. So when you do come to the clinic, we will carry out a detailed assessment, and with that we mean we will listen to everything that you have to say about how your pain has come on, what you've been doing, what you're missing out on, and things that you'd like to be back doing. Then we will move to a more, what we call an objective assessment, where we'll run through a series of tests which helps to give us a more accurate diagnosis of what's actually happening with you. So then when we move into treatment, we can put you onto the right path, and we just tailor everything towards you. So our treatments are individualized, especially to your problem. So once we've determined the type of back pain that you're facing, it's time to focus on the treatment and specialist care that you will receive. So here at the clinic, the things that we tend to do a lot with our patients is very hands-on focused. So we do lots of joint mobilizations, we do lots of soft tissue release. Sometimes that does include massage, but it'll tend to be more focused around specific areas in your back. We also work with a technique of muscle activation. So we determine the way your body is moving and make sure that the muscles are all working in the right way for you. Then we make sure that we have given you and taught you the right exercises to do for your specific condition. And we'll also give you some postural correction exercises as well. Another thing we also have here in the clinic is Pilates. So Pilates is another form of exercise which is absolutely fantastic for people to regain that core strength, to help them keep flexible, and in general just to get strong again. All with the aim of making you feel better and get back to doing the things that you love to do. And it will also give you those lasting results that you need. So hopefully that gives you a little bit better understanding of the three most common types of back pain that we see here in our clinic and what we do to help those people. Remember, our primary goal at Gav Noble Physiotherapy is to help you get back to doing the things and the activities that you enjoy the most, pain-free and with renewed confidence. We believe that you shouldn't be limited by back pain. As long as you get comprehensive care with a dedicated team of specialists who look after back pain all the time, you can regain control of your life and pursue your passions. So that's us for today. If you could give our channel a little subscribe, a thumbs up, we'd be really, really appreciative of that. If you are struggling with back pain or any other musculoskeletal problems, please reach out to us here at Gav Noble Physiotherapy and ask us for a little bit of help or advice. Thanks for watching, and remember, we're here to help you get back to doing what you love best. So stay healthy. Until next time, cheers.